in Lake Park, Abu Dhabi. You see that there's so many ducks. That's why they call it Lake Park. This is a man-made lake. There's so many ducks. They made this lake so that this place is all for the duck. Especially when it's summer, very hot. Then the duck need to have water always. That's why they made this lake. This is a man-made lake. See that? That's the duck. There's so many duck. See there, the duck is there. The duck is swimming. See there. See, there's so many duck. There's so many. There, the duck is swimming. See, the bird. Hi, birdie. I need to see the water fountain. This is the the water fountain is open. It's a man-made lake. Lake Park. They call it Lake Park, and they have the bridge there, high bridge, footbridge. See, a nice view from the see the garden, the duck is in the ground. See, hi, ducky, ducky. Hi, ducky, ducky. In front of me is the garden. If you want to see the water fountains, I'll go there so you can see the water fountain. The garden. There's so many flowers and a tree, a big tree. A big tree. See, there's a big tree. There. In front of me is a garden and they have a big tree. Really plant a tree. See, to show you the water fountain. And that's the lake in the other side. And that's the footbridge. Later when I going home, I'll pass there in the footbridge. That's the footbridge. There. That's the footbridge. And it's a footbridge. See that? That's a footbridge. You wanna see? That's a footbridge. That's a footbridge. You wanna see the water fountain? Water fountain. You see that but it's dark. Why it became dark? Why it became dark? You wanna see the water fountain? I don't want to be dark. I want to be bright. That's the water fountain in the back of me. Why it became dark? See? That's a water fountain. If you can see that, that's a fountain, water fountain. make small so that you can see the water fountain. Okay. Look at the bird. There's so many birds. See, there's so many birds. Oh, they're eating. Somebody give them food. Look, they're eating. Oh. This is the footbridge. There. Look. They're flying away. This is the footbridge. You see the water fountain. I need to come here to take a picture for the water fountain. There, the water fountain is there. This is the Lake Park of Abu Dhabi. Happy weekend, guys. It's hot. I need to go home now. I want to check something WTC. I'll try to pass by there. See, there's so many birds. There. Yeah. Ayan. They're flying. Somebody give them food. See? Ang lalo.